Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to use shaders in Minecraft on PS5 and what you need to know before trying. First, it's important to understand that Minecraft on PS5 runs the Bedrock Edition, and official third-party shader packs like PC does are not directly supported. You cannot install external shader files on PS5 the same way as Java Edition on a computer. However, there is an alternative. You can improve visuals by using texture packs from the Minecraft Marketplace. Open Minecraft, go to the Marketplace, and search for realistic texture packs or enhanced lighting packs. Many of these are designed to simulate shader-like effects, such as better shadows, clearer water, and improved sky visuals. Purchase or download one you like, then go to Settings, Storage, and activate the texture pack for your world. Another option is adjusting in-game video settings. Increase brightness properly and enable features like beautiful skies if available in certain packs. Keep your game updated because visual improvements sometimes come through updates. Avoid websites claiming free PS5 shader downloads since they are not supported and can be misleading. For now, Marketplace texture packs are the safest way to get a shader-style look on Minecraft PS5. Subscribe the channel for more videos.